Welcome back to Sailing Miss Lodestar. I'm Aubrey, and this is my 51 Formosa, and some of you call her the pirate ship. Her name is Houdini.
Yeah, you're gonna be on the... There we go.
Here she comes!
I have a go for my cocktail.
We probably should...
I've rounded up some crew to help me take her from Oxnard, California to Puerto Vallarta. And now we're taking our sweet time as Doug and Daryl help me work out the kinks on my classic leaky tiki.
That looks good.
Precision has sponsored all new sails for Houdini, and we've been adjusting the running rigging and testing out the new fit. So far, I love them.
Got a fish. Yeah, you can go ahead and take the main down.
What do we do with the gaff?
It's right.
It's in the dinghy with a plastic cover on it. What do I do that quick?
Holy mackerel!
Holy mackerel!
It's too long and skinny to be a tuna.
Right.
Be delicious. Don't be a barracuda. Nice. Got him.
Yes! Is that a keeper?
Well, it's dead now. Okay.
Alright, we need a thumper. Where's that hammer?
Okay,
He's about to go crazy.
Spanish mackerel are longer and skinnier than that. This looks in the jack family. I don't know.
Jacks have a rounder head.
What do you know, fishing guide? All I know is that I'm gonna eat it whether it's edible or not. Well, good morning, darlings. It's another day. So, during provisioning, I pretty much bought 98% carbs. And I looked at this as an excuse because the guys were coming. And so we've been living on chips and dip. And it's time to shut her down. I'm gonna need to eat some meat, but thankfully we caught a fish last night. Doug has been on watch, and now it's my watch, and the sun is coming up, and it's so beautiful. We're sailing. So we've got all of the safety gear out so we can check it, and Eek over here has decided that it's the safest place for him to be is on top of the safety gear, and he's got a little sunny spot. So we're under sail right now. The water maker high pressure pump stopped working, so what we're gonna do is wait until we get to port. I'm gonna take the bed apart, check the voltage on that. So the low pressure pump still works, so it's still lifting seawater into the system, but the high pressure pump that puts it into the membrane stopped working. So the breaker didn't trip, it just, we lost pressure. So we'll get that handled and start making water again, but we're not out of water, so we're fine. So that's good. But you definitely want to have a water maker in Mexico because you can't really take the water from the dock and drink it. I'd like to install a UV filter for the water system that comes off the tank so that we can drink water wherever. So we can take fuel from wherever with the Keenan filters, which is amazing. The Keenan filters have really been serving us well, but we can't take water from anywhere. So we'll have to upgrade that system. But I'm just learning. I really wanted to make sure before I did any more refits that I really enjoyed sailing this boat, the way the hull behaves in different weather and all of that stuff. And so far so good. I'm really loving it. That's the autopilot. Yeah, so I'm ready to do the last set or the next set of refits to make this boat just perfect. Boys are fishing up top. We caught a fish last night. That was pretty cool. Maybe we'll eat it today.
The angle at which the furler feeds into the drum is off a bit.
Just doing some repairs on the furler.
And has been causing the line to jump outside of the roller furler, which could be pretty dangerous in foul weather. So Doug helps to adjust the fair lead on the pulpit. I've been working and living on the ocean, on a much smaller boat for years, and dreaming of one day caring for and sailing this exact boat. She really is a dream come true.
Day 2 on our 2-day passage. We are almost to Turtle Bay, kind of, 70 miles out, and another beautiful sunset. Really stunning. So the bowsprit was definitely on my criteria for what I had to have on my forever boat. I love a cutter, but I have to have a bowsprit. It's a must. All right, we just anchored in Turtle Bay. Wait, I'm coming out. Just threw on all the deck lights. When Selden asked what lights I wanted on the spreaders and on the rigging, I said all of them.
All of them. Yeah, okay, I like that. I think we can't all go to shore. I'd like to go to shore today.
Yeah.
Explore too.
So we've got a Dougie on deck tying the snubber on. Which is a little bit of a precarious angle, huh? It's weird. We got a lot of line here. I should probably shorten this up. But we popped in just in time for sunrise, which is cool. The ride over here took us, how long would you say? Was it 20 hours?
30 hours?
30 hours? Yeah. So it took us 30 hours. The first night, I slept really good the first night. What about you?
Yeah, last night I only got a couple though.
Yeah, I think I got like 45 minutes. It's not that cold out right now. I just like to dress like I'm in the fjords. Yeah, so it wasn't great sleep last night. I think we're all gonna take a nap and then make some late breakfast and go explore.
And fish.
And
Going
fish.
Fishing. We forgot to tell, ask you, Kat.
Okay, yeah, we're going fishing. It's gonna be great. All right, look at that sunrise. Nope.
Not right.
Front.
This is exciting. We're staying more than 6 hours. We might hang out and do something fun. What do you think?
Yeah.
Every time the cover comes, I'm gonna get excited now. Kat says we're staying.
We're staying.
I like it.
Yeah, so you want to make sure, you want to make sure that this isn't snapped down in the back first.
It snaps first? Or?
Yeah, you want to snap
Hold
that
on one
those
second, let's
first.
get some stuff out.
As like this. Yeah, exactly. So put all this other shit away.
I'm coming in, Kat.
Okay. Oh good, we're making an oil slick.
I'll go inside.
How's your IG coming along, Dougie? How's your IG coming along? Your Instagram, buddy, I'm blowing up.
I thought we had room to go left. Looking at the chart, I thought we needed to go left, so I was just trying to go left.
Left was where the fucking
Line was.
yeah, but where the wreck was.
I read about that, right? Fishing spot.
The guys fish while I take a little siesta at this calm Anchorage in Turtle Bay.
So it kind of, yeah, so instead of it cooking on the rags in the water,
Getting soaked or what?
and I think I need to go down there and tighten up the, I'm gonna go try to tighten up the stuffing gland.
It's so fucking nice.
Instagram would be dead. Right then.
Right then, my IG's over, buddy. The good days.
The hunt for fuel begins in the far-flung town, and the guys trek the dusty roads in search of food for the generator and outboard.
What do you see out there? Arr. Look at that dinghy. See, this is what I was worried about. What? You! Boo. So Doug threw that in and failed. So I don't know what else.
And just like that, we're off to see new horizons. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week on Sailing Miss Lone Star. A huge thank you to my patrons for making these videos possible. If you can't wait until next week, check out my daily show, sailingmisslonestar.com. Also, links below.